In this video, we'll go over 5 reasons to start a high-fat diet, so stay tuned and keep watching till the end. Number 1. A high-fat diet is extremely satiating and also keeps your blood sugar levels stable. When you embark on a low-fat diet in an attempt to lose weight, you may end up hungry and dissatisfied, thus ending up craving sugary snacks. Number 2. Increased fat intake promotes a healthy gut too. Healthy fats work with your gut bacteria to protect the gut barrier that works hard to regulate your immune response and flush out all the toxins and chemicals. Number 3. Good fats are good for brain health. Our brain is composed of omega-3 fatty acids and docosahexaenoic acid. A deficiency of fats can lead to stress, anxiety, and other mood disorders. So, feel good about adding good fats to your diet and vice versa. Number 4. Eating good fats will not make you fat. If you choose to eat healthier fats, in controlled portions, your body will eventually learn to burn fat, instead of energy, further inducing weight loss. A high-fat diet can also curb hunger and cravings that mostly leads to overeating. Number 5. Fat is a crucial element for your body's absorption of the fat-soluble vitamins. Adding fats to your diet will help boost the absorption of vitamins that further help in strengthening your bones, boosting your immune system and protecting your heart health. That's all for this video. If you enjoyed the video, consider liking and subscribing.